In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. This is an incredibly useful skill, whether you're organizing a large document for work, preparing a report for school, or just ensuring your files are easier to navigate. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you're going to open the PDF document you wish to work with in Adobe Acrobat. Once your document is ready and open on your screen, navigate to the toolbar. Look for the Tools option at the top and click on it. Now, if you're using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, you might immediately spot Edit PDF among the main tools available. Select this tool, which is your gateway to making alterations to your document, including adding headers and footers. After selecting Edit PDF, direct your attention to the new options that appear in the toolbar. Locate header and footer, and from there choose Add. This option is crucial because it's what enables you to introduce page numbers into your PDF. As soon as you click Add, a dialog box will appear titled Add Header and Footer. This is where you'll make key decisions about the appearance and positioning of your page numbers. In this dialog box, you have the freedom to decide where you'd like the page numbers to appear, at the top or bottom of the page and aligned to the left, center, or right. It's a good practice to consider how these elements will interact with other text or images on your pages. For instance, if you have a lot of text at the top, placing the page numbers at the bottom might be a better choice for clarity. Next, you'll need to choose the number format that best suits your document style. You might go for the commonly used Arabic numerals, 1, 2, 3, or for a more formal or historical document, perhaps Roman numerals would be more fitting. It's helpful to keep the purpose and audience of your document in mind as you make this decision. You also have the option to set a starting page number. This can be particularly useful if your PDF is part of a larger project and needs to continue from a previous section. Ensure that these settings align with your document structure to maintain consistency. Before finalizing your choices, take advantage of the preview feature. This allows you to see exactly how the page numbers will look on each page. It's a chance to catch any misalignments or spacing issues before applying the changes. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click OK to apply your settings. Lastly, don't forget to save your document to preserve all the changes you've just made. Simply select File from the top menu, then Save. Now your document is organized and professional looking, with neatly added page numbers helping guide your readers through the content. And that's it. You've successfully added page numbers to your PDF in Adobe Acrobat.